Hello everyone and welcome to today's tutorial on how to join any Facebook group without knowing anyone in the group. It's actually quite simple. First, you just need to remember the name of the particular group you want to join, then head to the search bar at the top of your Facebook homepage and type in the name of the group you want to join. For example, if you were interested in joining an animal or fact group, simply type fact. In the search bar, after hitting enter, you will be presented with a list of groups related to your search. Select the one you want to join and click on the Join button. Some groups may require you to fill out a questionnaire, but this is an easy process that usually just asks about your interest in the topic of the group. Once you've filled out the questionnaire, click Submit it. The approval process is typically fast, and you will be notified once you've been approved to join the group. However, it's important to note that not all groups require approval or a questionnaire to join. Some groups may let you join right away with just one simple click of the For Joins button. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you in joining any Facebook group without needing to know anyone in the group. If you found this tutorial useful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.